everyone. A warm welcome to the Deekshant IAS YouTube platform. Under prelims pointers, we bring you important news from daily current affairs that are highly beneficial for the UPSC exam. Today again, we have selected some key points that will help in your preparation. So, let's get started. First point. Kursk region. Russian troops have launched a major offensive to retake western Kursk from Ukrainian forces. Kursk, a historic city in southwestern Russia, was briefly captured by Ukraine in 2024 but is now under threat. The region, known for its black earth soil and industry, was also the site of the 1943 Battle of Kursk, the largest tank battle in history. Losing Kursk could weaken Ukraine's strategic position. Second point. Kochraj Bangshis. The Kochraj Bangshi community has renewed its demand for scheduled tribe (SENT) status ahead of the Indian Home Minister's Assam visit. Indigenous to South Asia, they are classified differently across regions and mainly engage in agriculture. With a rich linguistic heritage, they seek SENT recognition for better access to reservations and welfare programs. Third point. Preventive detention. The Supreme Court of India overturned Nagaland's preventive detention order, stressing independent judgment by authorities. Preventive detention allows detention without trial under Article 22 but requires advisory board approval beyond 3 months. Laws like the NSA and UAPA enable such detention for security, though critics warn of misuse and threats to personal freedom. 4 point. Vanuatu. Fugitive ex-IPL chief Lalit Modi surrendered his Indian passport and gained Vanuatu citizenship. Vanuatu, a Pacific island nation near Australia, offers citizenship by investment for $150,000, attracting global investors with tax benefits and visa-free travel to 56 countries. Fifth point. Shingles disease. A survey found that 56.6% of Indians over 50 know little about shingles, despite 90% the virus. Shingles, caused by varicella-zoster reactivation, leads to painful rashes and complications like postherpetic neuralgia. The Shingrix vaccine and antivirals help prevent and reduce severity, highlighting the need for awareness. 6 point. Madhav National Park. Madhav National Park in Madhya Pradesh is now India's 58th tiger reserve. Once a royal hunting ground, it became a national park in 1958 and spans 355 sq km of dry deciduous forests. Home to leopards, deer, and 5 tigers, its new status boosts conservation efforts. NH25 and NH3 enhance accessibility. 7 point. Tejas LCA Mk1A. India's defence sector marked progress with the first private-built rear fuselage for Tejas LCA Mk1A delivered to HAL. This advanced variant features 40-plus upgrades, including SR radar and enhanced electronic warfare. Designed by ADA and produced by HAL, Tejas aims to replace aging MiGs, boosting India's air combat strength. 8 point. Jalantheswara Temple. The Jalantheswara Temple in Thakkolam, Tamil Nadu, is a historic Shiva temple with a sand lingam, Thinda Thirumeni. Built by the Pallavas and expanded by the Cholas and Nayaks, it spans 1.5 acres with a 3-tiered gopuram. Praised in Tamil Savite hymns, it now faces deterioration, prompting calls for restoration. 9 point. Commission on the Status of Women, CSW. The UN's Commission on the Status of Women, CSW, part of ECOSOC since 1946, promotes gender equality and monitors women's rights globally. It reviews the 1995 Beijing Declaration and addresses urgent gender issues. At its 69th session in 2025, India's delegation was led by the Women and Child Development Minister. 10 point. ICC Champions Trophy 2025. India won the ICC Champions Trophy 2025, defeating New Zealand by 4 wickets in the final in Dubai, securing their third title. The Elite ODI tournament, originally the ICC Knockout 1998, now follows a 4-year cycle. The 2025 edition featured 8 teams based on the 2023 World Cup standings, with India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, and New Zealand in Group A and Australia, Afghanistan, England, and South Africa in Group B. The ICC oversees the event, ensuring fair play and regulations. Thank you for watching. Do not forget like, comment, share.